Hi student, today we are discuss about the chemistry. The top chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. Firstly, we are discuss about the introduction of chemistry. What is the chemistry? What deal the chemistry? Chemistry deal with structures, composition and properties. What means structures, composition and properties? You know that a common example, that is water. Water. What is the composition of water? You say that H2. H2 is the composition of water. Chemistry explain the structure of water, that is H2O. The hybridization of H2O. The hybridization of H2O. sp1, p2, p3. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. The shape of H2O is V-shape. The shape of H2O is V-shape. And also explain the properties of water. Water is colorless, odorless, and water is universal solvent. Universal solvent means anything in universe dissolve in water except oil, granules, but mostly materials are dissolved in water, like sugar, this solvent of sugar solution, salt solution, salt solution. तो दैट मीन्स क्या हो गया कि हमारा जो वाटर है वो क्या है, कलरलेस है, ऑर्डरलेस है और साथ में क्या है, ये यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट है. मोस्टली चीजें क्या होती है इसमें डिसॉल्व हो जाती हैं. तो ये हमारा जो केमिस्ट्री है वो स्ट्रक्चर्स को एक्सप्लेन करता है, कंपोजिशन को एक्सप्लेन करता है और प्रॉपर्टीज को एक्सप्लेन करता है. तो ये कंपोजिशन किसका है? द कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मैटर, properties of matter. Now the question is, what is matter? Question is, what is matter? Matter, anything that occupies space and have mass is known as matter. Like chalk and particles of chalk. Particles of chalk take space on the board and it also have some mass. So the chalk particle is also called matter. Matter classified in two parts, that is according to physical nature and chemical nature. In physical nature, solid, liquid and gas. That means the physical nature of matter. The physical nature of matter is solid, liquid and gas. Solid, anything that have definite volume and shape is known as solid. anything, any matters which have only definite volume but not definite shape is known as liquid. Gas is a matter that have not definite shape and volume. Now we discuss about the matters, chemical natures of matter. The chemical nature of matter is pure substance and mixture. Pure substance and mixture. Before discussion of pure substance and mixtures, we write some example on the board, that is sugar solution, salt solution, chalk solution, water, air, sugar. You know that the composition of water is H2, whereas air had no definite composition, because air is the mixture of oxygen O2, nitrogen N2, carbon dioxide CO2, argon Ar, helium, etc. So air is not a pure substance, because air is the mixture of O2, CO2, N2, Ar, argon, helium, etc. But sugar, the formula of sugar contains sucrose. Sugar contains sucrose. The composition of sucrose is C12H22O11. C12H22O11. Here we see that the sugar have the fixed composition. So we say that sugar is pure substance. But sugar solution, the sugar solution have not a definite composition, because sugar solution is mixture of water and sugar. Water is pure substance, sugar is pure substance, but sugar solution is not a pure substance, because sugar solution is a mixture of water and sugar particles. So we say that sugar solution is a mixture. Sugar solution is a mixture. Same phenomenon with salt solution. Salt solution means salt plus water. Salt, that is NaCl, water, that is H2O. Salt solution formed by the mixing NaCl and H2, that is pure substance, but salt solution is not a pure. Now we are discuss about the chalk solution. Chalk solution, you know that the chalk solution is the mixture of chalk powder plus water. Are you know that the formula of the chalk powder. The formula of chalk powder is CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate plus H2. Here you see that chalk solution is the mixture of calcium carbonate that have fixed composition and water that also have a fixed composition. But the chalk solutions have not a fixed composition because chalk solution is the mixture of chalk powder and water. So you clear that the mixture, what is the mixture and what is the pure substance. But mixture also classified as in two categories, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. About the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture and classification of pure substance we discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.